So today is Wildfire. Hope you guys come and just enjoy yourself. I'm glad for all who went to a beach boat. Hope you guys had a great week. Super impactful for me, I know. So yeah. So hopefully I can get the rest of Beach Boat uploaded that I filmed. So yeah, especially the whitewater rafting part. That was really fun, this whitewater rafting. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to Wildfire. It's a beautiful day out. I'm gonna show you guys. Zoe, what are you doing? Oh, nope. Demonetized right there. She's humping the toy. So I'm gonna show you guys outside real quick. It's beautiful out. And here comes Zoe, the flying doggy missile. It's absolutely gorgeous out. Oh yes. Hello, Zoe. Yes, hello. Benji, good puppy. But yeah, it's gorgeous out. I can't wait for tonight to go swimming. Come on, Zoe. Benji, come on. Benji, come on. Nope. Okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited for tonight. Going swimming. We're going to Warehouse Beach next week. Next Wednesday, I'm not sure where we're going, but somewhere pretty cool. So are you happy? Nope, can't watch her hump the toy. She's weird. So yeah, I'm gonna be editing a few videos, probably playing a few rounds of zombies for my gaming channel. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I also need to find a little light for this camera I can just carry around all the time. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'll catch up with you guys when I have a minute. How is it, Christian?
How's what?
The water.
Good. You gonna jump again?
Possibly.
Okay, hold on. Let me look.
Alright. How are you guys?
Good. How are you, bro?
Good. Nice seeing you. Missing beach?
Yes, dude. I'm missing you.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. You're breaking my heart. How are you guys?
Hey, good, thank you.
The water's pretty warm. Heston, why are you wearing that?
Why are you recording me?
Because I can.
No.
How are you, Marina?
Good, how are you?
Good, you look nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A full quarter at that.
In beach boat right now?
Oh yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 100.
2. No, it's good. Probably about a 99.5.
Yeah, I feel ya.
Or a 98. I like to sleep here.
Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah.
But it was good.
Glad you went, bro.
Oh yeah, you too.
Manny, missing beach?
Well, I'm very sick right now, so I'm like all clogged up and my allergies are going crazy, so I'm not gonna be jumping today, but
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
I'm going.
Jazz, are you missing beach?
Beach boat? Heck yeah.
Dead.
I'm sorry, bro. I feel ya.
I was gonna take a sick day, but I have to talk for a few minutes tonight, so I can't.
Yeah.
Sad day.
How are you, Trin?
Oh, I'm great.
Tyrese. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Nice seeing you, bro.
Good to see you.
Are you guys missing beach?
Yeah.
So bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your Insta?
McKenna Gomez 12.
What's your Insta?
I don't have any, so I'm broke.
Oh,
I don't have a phone.
I'm sorry.
Hold
sorry
on,
for you,
Dad.
bro. Zach. Zach, what was the highlight of beach boat?
Highlight beach boat?
Yeah, for you.
Probably the trampolines.
Yeah, those are
Yeah.
good.
And, oh no! I know what was the best thing.
What?
The like the King of the Hill.
Oh yeah, that was good.
That was insane. You and me, man, 1-on-1. I got like third place in my
I
best.
got like second.
Huh?
I got
Second?
second.
Yeah. Then Matt came in. Oh, that was amazing.
Yeah, I know.
I have an
Dude,
aunt.
freaking Reggie
I have an
is
aunt,
a beast.
and she's terrified of ants. Watch this. Watch this. Are you sure? Are you sure you're not terrified of ants? Are you sure? Are you sure?
But Reggie turns into a freaking beast. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh yeah, seriously. She went massive
Yeah.
insane. Like I was.
Like I've never seen her like that.
No, she's like.
Yeah, I know. She's like
Throwing
freaking
people
She-Hulk.
off like freaking babies, man.
I know.
It's insane.
She's
Here, Anthony, you can take that over.
so. What would you say was? Which one was better, worship or message for you?
Worship.
Yeah.
The last couple days were definitely the best.
Yeah.
For me.
The first 2 days were meh for me.
Yeah, I started feeling it around Wednesday,
Yeah.
and then like the last day just really hit me. You know, it was definitely a lot. The best worship I've ever done in my life. So,
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you went.
thanks.
Yeah. Next year you need to go.
Sure.
And
Oh look! So we're at a warehouse. Woo! Great time here. Really great. Probably one of the best places we go to. Just because of the cliff jumping. Here. Let's get up here in a minute. Jaime, are you gonna jump? No. Why not? Huh? How are you?
Hey, remember that time we were gonna jump under the
Gosh, how are you?
I jumped and you didn't?
Listen.
Dive off. Should I dive off this?
That's good.
Who should? Should I dive?
That's my boob, man.
Okay, great.
It was.
I feel offended. You don't ever touch a man's boob.
No, always touch a man's boob.
Dude, I wish I was as tan as you, Alyssa.
I feel like you are. You look way tanner. Look at you.
Look at my back.
Your back is tan. Look at you.
Yeah, that's all that matters, right? Jacob, I mean, Tanner. Tanner. Will, you know, this was the exact spot you were in my first video for YouTube. Yeah.
Dude, the memories.
Yeah, I know.
Every time I jump, I get so
Who is that? Oh, is that your sister down there? Ooh, that sounded like it hurt. How's the jump? How's the jump?
That was good.
That's good. Yeah? Hey! How are you, Tessa?
Go!
Good for her.
I already went.
No, you're in my video, pal.
Yeah, you gotta jump, yeah. Me go? Never jump.
I did it one time in high school.
Okay, yeah, go again. Last year, I loved doing those jumps. Go, Will!
Whoa! 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 Woo! Oof.
I'll send it.
Whoa.
Man, let's go. You going? In the pits. In the pits.
No. Okay. Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're trying to be high.
Missing Beach?
You see? Heck yeah, dude. Did you see Kobe jumped off finally?
Chase, good job, bro.
I want to dive.
Yeah?
Why not? It'll be fun. If I die,
What do they call it? I'm so scared.
Good job, Kobe.
Thanks, man.
being one of these. Look, she's being Christian. Dry dust. She's being a sick and dry dust. Hey, we're gonna roll it 8:15.
Will, what was the highlight of Beach Boat for you?
Jumping off the boats.
Yeah?
And like, yeah.
Why didn't you go to Beach Boat?
I couldn't pay for it.
Next time, I'll help you pay.
Okay.
I'll pay for like half of it.
I already have
What? What? Fight me.
Ooh, got his eyes closed too.
I like that one.
Here, let me see for the vlog.
I can use that as
Yo, bro, look at that picture,
Yeah, I
bro.
know.
That's so freaking thick.
Oh, cool. Send it to me.
I will.
All
I'll
right.
also use it for my streaks.
Okay.
4 times zoom in.